they got Pretty Girl Ghost in there tonight. Definitely they do. And there's at least 9 of them on the sink, but there's the main sink ghost. But they're all coming out of the mirror. I can see them. That's a major portal, that mirror. Like me touching their mirror like that. They don't like that at all. They get really defensive. Yeah, see, he goes back. Head and shoulders is kind of a threat. But when they go full torso, that's a major threat. They don't like me touching that mirror. Not at all. I'm trying to get him to give up Pretty Girl Ghost. Right here on the Clark the Shark Show. I think she